Hey everyone, welcome to Neural Tech. In this video, we're going to solve a real DP-700 exam question, step by step. And more importantly, we'll solve it the same way you should think in the exam. Alright, let's start by reading the question carefully. Because DP-700 is not about memorizing syntax. It's about understanding what is actually being asked. Here's the scenario. You have a Fabric workspace. You have semi-structured data. You need to read this data using T-SQL, KQL, and Apache Spark. But there's a catch. The data will be written only using Spark. So the question is, what should you use to store the data? Now pause here. This question is not testing syntax. It's testing architecture understanding. So before deciding anything, let's quickly look at the options. Option A, a Lakehouse. Option B, an Eventhouse. Option C, a Datamart. Option D, a warehouse. Okay? Now let's slow down and think logically. Before jumping to the explanation, let's extract the key requirements. Number 1, the data is semi-structured. Number 2, the data is written only using Apache Spark. And number 3, this is very important. The data must be read using T-SQL, KQL, and Spark. So immediately, we know one thing. The storage layer must support all 3 query engines. Now let's evaluate each option one by one. Option A, Lakehouse. Lakehouse works very well with Spark. And yes, it also supports SQL. But here's the problem. KQL is not natively supported for querying Lakehouse data. So Lakehouse fails one key requirement. We eliminate it. Next. Option C, Datamart. Datamart is mainly designed for Power BI and T-SQL analytics. It does not support Spark-based ingestion, and it does not support KQL queries. So this option is out now. Option D, Warehouse. Warehouse is optimized for structured data and T-SQL querying, but it does not support Spark writes, and it does not support KQL querying, so this option is also eliminated. Now let's look at option B, Eventhouse. And this is where everything clicks. Eventhouse is designed for semi-structured or event-based data, Spark-based ingestion, native KQL querying, and access through T-SQL and Apache Spark. This matches every single requirement in the question. So, the correct answer is option B, Eventhouse. Before we finish, one quick exam tip. In the DP-700 exam, whenever you see semi-structured or event data, KQL mentioned, and Spark used for ingestion, your brain should immediately think Eventhouse. If this video helped you understand how to think in the exam, like, subscribe, and comment next for the next DP-700 question.